Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to share the new super creepy Jeepers Creepers cling mounted red rubber stamp. This stamp is super fun and there are so many possibilities for it. I stamped it out for you and the stamp does come as one piece. If you like to cut it apart, you can absolutely do that, which is something that I do prefer to do just because I wanted to be able to use those little eyeballs off to the side all on their own. So the group of eyeballs measures 2.5 by 2.5, and the larger single eyeball measures 3/4 of an inch and the smaller one measures 1/2 inch. I do have a couple of samples to share with you today. When I first saw this stamp set, the first thing that came to my mind was to put the bunch of eyeballs in a jar. So I used the Atlas jar stamp set so that I could create a jar of eyes of newt and a jar of eyes of spiders. And then I also incorporated the ATC Antique Frames die set to add the labels to the jars and then make my little Jeepers Creepers apothecary sign. For my second sample, I used the individual eyeballs and I set them back behind my little brick wall by easily popping up that front panel. And I also incorporated the new spiders and webs die set as well. And that finishes up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.